In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Medlite or Revlite laser facial. This is one of our lightest laser treatments, and we use the Medlite or the Revlite laser, which are equivalent lasers, to perform the treatment. It's great for people who don't really have any significant skin problems and just want a bit of skin rejuvenation, maybe a bit of a glow or brightness to their skin. We also use this laser for melasma, which is a specific type of hormonal skin pigmentation. It is, however, not used for other types of skin pigmentation, including sunspot treatment, and it's also not used for any vascular problems like broken capillaries. So how does the Medlite laser facial work? The Medlite laser is actually a very powerful laser, but with the Medlite laser facial, we bring the settings right back to almost the lowest setting you can use. And we use two wavelengths, one deep penetrating wavelength, which stimulates collagen deep within the skin, and one superficial wavelength, which treats superficial skin concerns. It can be used on virtually any skin type, from very light to very dark, and the reason for this is because it's such a light laser treatment. And it's also able to target pigmentation problems like melasma by breaking down the pigment with these short, sharp pulses. One of the advantages of this treatment on females is that it's able to also temporarily remove hair. It actually turns hair, even very fine hair, which cannot normally be targeted with traditional laser hair removal machines. It can actually turn these hairs white, and they don't tend to come back for about 6 weeks, which is always a bonus. On the male patient, we have to be careful of hair-bearing areas with this treatment, as it will also remove these hairs temporarily, which may not necessarily be a positive outcome. Now I'm going to talk about what the treatment actually involves. It's actually quite a pleasant and relaxing treatment for most people. The first step is usually to clean the face of any makeup or creams. The operator will then systematically fire the laser across the whole face, and it's a very, very fast rate of firing. So each second you'll get about 10 shots of laser energy into the skin, and you'll feel this as a sort of tapping sensation. Cool air can also be used to blow across the skin, which makes this procedure even more comfortable. The procedure generally goes for about 15 minutes, and during this time you'll have safety goggles in place. After treatment, generally we'll expect your face to look a little red. Sometimes melasma can darken a little bit, and usually this is a temporary phenomenon before it lightens. The vast majority of people will go straight back to work or their normal activities after the treatment. Makeup can be applied straight away after the treatment to cover any redness, but redness generally subsides within a couple of hours. The complication rate from this procedure is extremely low, given the nature of the procedure being very light. One of the things we see occasionally is a breakout or a rash after the procedure. Now this can be very annoying and last for about 5 days, but has no consequence on the skin in the long term. Even more rare is hypopigmentation, or white dots in the skin. This is usually a result of too frequent treatments with too high energy level settings. We therefore recommend that treatments be performed about every 2 months. Worsening or darkening of melasma or pigmentation is another side effect that you may experience. Again, this is not common, but if it does occur, you may need to go on some lightening creams to actually help reduce the pigmentation back to its previous state. The risk of scarring is virtually non-existent with this treatment, given that the settings are quite low. So in summary, the Medlite or Revlite laser facial is a great treatment for those who might not necessarily have particular skin problems, but they just want to improve their skin quality overall, and it's great for those with melasma.